In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Ownerrez. If you need to update your login for security reasons, or you simply want to replace your current password with something new, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the platform, look toward the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll typically find your account-related options and settings, including tools for managing your login details. From there, click on Change Password. This will open the password update page, where you can enter the information needed to securely create a new password for your account. The first field you'll need to complete is your current password. Type in the password you're using right now. This step helps verify your identity and confirms that you're authorized to make changes to the account. Be sure to enter it carefully since passwords are case sensitive. Next, move to the new password field and type in the password you want to use going forward. When creating a new password, it's a good idea to choose something strong and unique. In general, a secure password is easier to protect when it combines different character types and avoids obvious personal information. Also, try not to reuse a password you've used on other websites or services. After that, go to the confirmation field and re-enter your new password exactly the same way you typed it the first time. This is an important step because it helps catch any typing mistakes before the change is saved. If the two entries don't match, the system may not allow you to continue until they are identical. Once you've filled in your current password, your new password, and the confirmation field, click Save Password. This submits the change and updates your account with the new login credentials. After saving, it's a smart idea to remember your new password right away or store it securely in a password manager so you don't get locked out later. If your browser asks whether you want to update the saved password, make sure it reflects the new one so your next login goes smoothly. And that's it. That's how to change your password in Ownerrez. If you found this helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.